got the arbor.
Had, a hydrangea like this one here. We had it in the corner here, and when your dad and I put the structure up, I thought it had died. This one over here, it's the same as this one here, but the hydrangea there.
Oh, nice.
And this is the blue one, and this was just a small one when we put it in there. This azalea is probably twice the size it was when I put it in there.
Oh, nice. Looks like a rhododendron almost.
Yeah.
Oh, and your little
Rhododendron,
garden.
yeah.
Your little vegetable garden back there too.
I'm going to start taking these things. These are peonies, but they didn't do very well there. The ones over here did really good on this side,
Yeah.
and over here.
Oh, nice.
But those didn't do very well at all.
Yeah. Not enough sun, maybe?
And these like it here, so I'm going to leave these three.
Yeah.
And this is a small hydrangea your grandma got for Mother's Day. And I had it over there, and it started getting eaten up, so I put it in a pot.
Oh,
See
yeah.
if I can.
And
this rhododendron here is off your dad's rhododendron.
Oh, okay. Just a
It
little
was
branch.
just one little shoot with one set of leaves on it.
Huh. And you
it's-
put all this brick edging
Yeah.
in yourself? Well,
Yeah,
you put the
these-
whole thing in yourself, the whole
I got a whole
garden.
bunch of more of these.
Yeah.
I got to put in, and I'm working on this now. I'm going to put blocks all through here,
Oh, nice.
and your dad's going to put the skirting on.
Yeah.
I
That'd
got
be
the
nice.
skirting back over there.
Yeah. Oh, it's
This
nice.
is going to be daffodils where the dirt is.
Oh, right here. Oh, that'll be nice.
And I forget the name of these, but something fire or something, I think was the name of them.
Yeah, they're pretty.
It'll probably show up when you
Google Lens.
take a picture of it and picture back. And this is another hydrangea here. It's a light blue, and that's the purple hydrangea.
Yeah, I have the blue one. I have a
Yeah,
blue and white one.
Yeah, this I don't know. It didn't. It's a relative of the one over there.
Oh. Oh, vanilla strawberry. Hydrangea vanilla strawberry.
And they have different colors of stilby. I've got a gray one out there, and this is purple.
They're pretty.
And I'm going to take all this out of here and make a little 3 feet deep for a little greenhouse,
Oh, yeah.
just with lids.
Oh, yeah, those ones. Nice little, and then you got the walkway over here.
And this azalea here was about this tall when I planted it 2 years ago.
Oh.
And the one, I'll show you the one around when we go back in. It's way taller than I am.
Yeah.
And we had it in Issaquah, and it was about this tall. I moved it to Ancora in Everett.
Uh-huh.
It was about this tall when I dug it up here.
Oh,
They
nice.
like the soil here.
Yeah, grew fast.
The hydrangeas get pretty large,
Yeah.
and this rhododendron is huge. The one that your
Oh.
dad has. So I'm
What-
going to kind of stretch this out a little bit.
What's this? What are these?
Oh, just when I pull a hose,
Oh, okay.
it swivels on the.
And you put this on all by yourself. It's pretty impressive, Grandpa.
Watch the hose
Oh.
here. And there's one here.
Man, I should have had you come do my garden.
I'd be happy to do it.
Long flight.
And this is Weigelia.
Mm-hmm.
And your dad has one over there next to his garden area.
Yeah.
It's pretty tall. And this is a Weigelia over here too. This one here. And I think I'm gonna have to move them too because of the walkway.
Yeah. You got some corn.
And these are peonies, and they didn't do really good in here.
Mm-hmm.
The ones out here did okay. And the roses, this rose here, I planted about 2 months ago,
Yeah.
and it seems to be doing okay there.
I like the little walkway.
And this is some kind of a willow. I forget what,
Yeah.
variegated willow. I think is what they call it.
You know, they had these ferns right here behind it.
Mm-hmm.
They had those in England.
Do they?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's pretty
Bracken
funny.
ferns.
Yeah.
And this is a forsythia. The ferns just take over. I just cleared it out here the other day because it was all more ferns than there were. And I planted corn in here first year I did this, and the corn got up about that tall.
Yeah. And sunflowers too, right here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is the first time I planted sunflower seed.
I had some big ones, some mammoth ones in the backyard, and the dogs got into them in the fall when they started rotting. Yeah.
And this area here was about this tall.
Yeah.
When I moved it, and up here, and it was that tall in Issaquah, and we lived in Ancora for
20 years, right?
Yeah,
20 plus.
close to it, yeah.
30 years. Is it?
20.
20. Oh.
95, 98, we moved up there.
Mm.
And 98, and we moved out in 2002.
Oh, 2022.
They like it here.
Yeah.
And this is a Stilby, and the plant looks pretty.
Yeah.
The flowers don't look all that great.
You got your little chickens over here too, or roosters.
Yeah. This rooster back there, we were down in Arizona, and the couple we went with, she bought it, and when they shipped it, she got it home and it was all broke up.
Oh no.
And so she called them, and they sent her another one.
Oh, nice.
And she said, I said, do you mind if I put that together for you? And she said, well, if you want it, you can put it together and you can have it. So
Yeah. Oh, the tail broke off. Yeah.
you can see where the cracks are.
Yeah. Pretty good.
These roses, this is a pretty rose. If you ever get a chance to get a Gemini, it's a pretty rose. It has a beautiful little bud, and then the flowers.
That's pretty nice.
I should get another stake and stake that up before it breaks off.
You could lean it on this pole, maybe.
Okay. Maybe that'll hold it. There.
Yeah.
Yeah, this rose has been pretty. You can see all the fields we've cut off,
Yeah.
but it's a little miniature rose.
Yeah.
It made it through the winter. There's another one I bought another one with it, and it died.
Do you put stuff in my dad's greenhouse too during the winter? Or?
No.
Is it insulated? The greenhouse, is it insulated?
No. Oh, you mean where I buy them?
Well, no, the one here.
Oh. Yeah, your dad's got, it's a storage unit.
Oh.
And not as if I had it in Everett.
Oh, okay. Your little bench. Did the kids sit on the bench?
Nope,
No?
haven't yet.
I'm
I
sure.
gotta move the bench out.
Oh,
I thought I'd maybe move it out this way.
yeah.
Your dad has been talking about moving the table over.
Mm. It's nice. And you built a fire pit too?
Yeah, it's a little. It's a little fire pit.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
It's,
Oh, that's nice. It's a lot nicer than ours. We have one of those globe cage things.
pardon?
We have one of those globe cage things
yeah,
for the
yeah.
fire pit.
Lowe's, and I paid $4.95 each for them. And I got
that's a pretty
this
good deal.
one, and that one from the school.
Oh, from the FFA.
Yeah, and they turned out better. But got tomato here. It's getting pretty big.
Yeah.
This got a few tomatoes on it.